forgot I have access to the Ring camera.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm in front of my own house. I'm installing a door. What the hell's going on? I'm installing my door. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm in front of my own house installing this. I don't know how.
James, there's somebody at our house.
No, it's not.
Look outside. Hello?
Yes, I'm not at your house. I'm at my house. I don't know how your camera is connected to my doorbell. I was just trying to set it up.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property now.
I'm not on your property, ma'am.
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm not in front of your house. Can you see what I'm
James!
pointing at?
James! There's a black man at our door. Sir? Sir!
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property.
I'm not on your property.
What's your name? What is your
Can you see?
name? What is your name?
Can you see what I'm doing? Do you see this?
No.
This is what I'm doing. This is me standing here. This is not your property, ma'am. I don't know how your Ring doorbell is connected to mine. I'm trying to figure it out. But I'm not at your house. I'm at my own property. You see? Can you see?
Royal, you are Royal.
Fuck are you connected to this? So that's a black man at my door. Like, how you connected? Because I hooked the same one back up or some shit.
Royal,
Yeah.
it's me.
How the fuck are you on here?
Bye. Bye.
No, like what the fuck? Why would you play with me like that? Crazy talking about it's a black guy at my door.